everybody.
What is your name? Say hi, I'm Zach.
I'm Maggie.
What's the name of your bear?
It's Buckety Bear.
Oh, how about Ion? Call Ion. Say Ion, come here.
Ion, come here. Let's hide.
Let's play.
Die.
Hi. Can I join you?
Yeah.
Can we play?
Yeah.
I say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Come here, Joy.
Okay. Bye, friends. Bye. And let's take the rib on the sea.
What do you want to play?
Okay, everybody, go stop on this right.
Okay.
That's right. It's drawing on this puppet.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.